Hello techies, this is CompTIA TestOut PC Pro 6.2.6 and we are going to install a workstation image using PXE. So you are one of the IT administrators for a corporate network. Your manager Melanie has been working on a help desk ticket that was created by the marketing manager Elijah. Your manager has now asked you to complete the remaining requirements for this lab. So in this lab, your task is to open issue tracks and the open ticket, assign the ticket to yourself, resolve the remaining issues using the information found in the open ticket, add a comment to the ticket indicating that it has been resolved, close the ticket. So we'll start up right away. We want to go into issue tracks and click on this. We'll go ahead and let's go to me. We assign it to me. Let's scroll down. Here it says I've installed. Let's minimize this. Let's go to building A, and in building A we want to go into floor 2, and from floor 2 we want to go into hardware. Yep. So we're going to hardware, and then let's start up. We want to turn on the CPU, and let's go into boot sequence, and we let's system configuration. This is going to be integrated NIC, and we extend this to PCE. Go ahead and exit. Alright, so this has opened. Click OK, and let's wait for this. Alright, so this is booted to Windows. So we'll go back to building A, and in building A we want to go into floor 1, and from floor 1 we'll go to IT admin laptop. Let's go to IT let's go to floor 1. So from floor 1 we want to go to marketing closet, no, office 1, IT admin, yeah. So we go to IT admin. So here's the issue tracks. Scroll down, and we are going to add a comment here. Done. So go ahead and add this. For this comment, you can use any comment of your choice. You might not use done, you can decide to use something else. Alright, so let's see if there's any other thing we need to do. In the absence of any other thing, we'll go ahead and score lab. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Reach out to me through my email, and also join my professional membership to have access to videos that are not currently available here. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.